Hi guys, here's the video for YMCA on page 53 of your Music Hub guitar book. This is a pretty straightforward song. There's just a couple of points where we need to do something a little bit different on our D chord. The first of which happens on the second line there. We're going to be singing need to be unhappy. We're going to mimic that rhythm with our strum. Also, in bar 18 there, just before we go into the chorus, you'll see that we play the D and then we stop. So you need to mute the strings with your hand at that point. Play along, see how you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Young man, there's no need to feel down. I say, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I say, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy, young man. There's a place you can go. I say, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there, and I'm sure you can find many ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything that you need to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. You can repeat the song there, go back to the start, or you can finish on a G to resolve the song.